guys, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another day here. We're gonna work on the '92 Nissan D21. Today we're gonna do the tune-up and probably get some tires put on the back. Cause check that out. Yeah, not safe on the freeway. And so I'm just gonna get the tires dismounted. I got two in the garage. That'll work. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, as you can see, I got all the parts for the Nissan. I got Denso O2 sensor, Denso oil filter. So let's unpack all this stuff, see what else we got. Let's do camera trick. And just like that, all unpacked. We got Denso oxygen sensor, BWD cap. Oh, where's the rotor? No way. Don't tell me that didn't come. Oh dear. NGK spark plugs, valve cover gasket. I just noticed, yeah. Damn. Let me go check the packaging. Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to mention. Let's see, I'll have to see it back there, but the EGR is back there and I'm getting the EGR code 32. Alright, got a little ahead of myself. I already put WD-40 on all the bolts. They're pretty rusty, and plus I couldn't record a little earlier. There's some copyright music playing in the background, so got a new Denso oxygen sensor. So let's see if we can get these bolts off. And like that, heat shield is out. Yeah, you're gonna probably say, why didn't you just get the socket for the oxygen sensor? I'm lazy, so I just took out the heat shield. Out of the 4 or 5 bolts, there's only 3 holding it anyways. And I just noticed that there's a stud broke, or 2. Yes, 2 studs broke. See if I can get you in there. Dang. There's the heat shield. A little finagling with the crowbar. Got it out. All I had to do is the air pipe, just push it to the side with the crowbar and it slid out. Modified it. Cut out a little notch for the O2 sensor. Now I don't have to move that pipe over. And it still bolts up. So nothing wrong there. I don't know why Nissan just didn't do it that way. Alright, I just took out the spark plugs. Wow, this one's number 4. And then number 3 is even worse. Look at that. Number 2. Number 1. Bad, bad, bad. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we got the valve cover off. We already finished the tune-up. Put spark plug wires, cap, rotor. All that's done, and I'm checking the EGR. Seems like the diaphragm is good. It works, it's functioning. So I'm thinking it's electrical. But I am going to change some of the vacuum lines. They are pretty rotted, so I'm going to change those, see if that works. And like I said, maybe the tune-up will help it out. But there is something wrong with the I did get a code 32 out of the computer. Code 32 is EGR function, so we'll look into that more. But alright, I started replacing some of the vacuum lines, as you can see right there. I already got some other ones off. This little thing that I call a little spider. And then this is all the vacuum hose I got. So I'm gonna make that right now. And I think I found the problem with the EGR system. This vacuum is cracked. So, and that gives main vacuum to the EGR and everything else. So hopefully that fixes the problem. Cross my fingers, but it should. And I'm losing light, so I gotta hurry up. Be right back. Alright, I took it off and look at that. It's all brittle and it's cracked. I didn't crack that. That was already like that. So, and this is all brittle and cracked too. Hope it focuses. But yep, that would affect the EGR. So hopefully that's the fix. Alright. Just redid the whole, pretty much whole vacuum lines. and I painted the wheels. Now I'm just waiting for this to dry. I think it is dry now. I'm gonna paint it. Valve cover. All right, she is all buttoned up. I did not have a chance to change the oil. That's gonna be tomorrow. And I gotta, but she's looking good. And I still have to mount the tires. I already painted, like you saw earlier, I painted them. Those are the hubcaps. It'll look better than that. So that'll be tomorrow. I'm running out of sunlight. So until we're gonna have to catch you tomorrow. All right, so next day. Got one tire mounted. I'm gonna mount the other one pretty soon. And then I went to the junkyard real quick this morning. This is what this steering wheel looks like. Pretty much all metal. And this is the new one that I got. It's not the best because there is some missing right there, but it's better than this. Missing there and everything. And then I got that steering wheel cover, so that'll cover it up. So I'll clean it up, dye it black. Probably paint the horn black and those pieces black. So let's mount this tire. And I did it by hand. I didn't take it to a tire shop. All right, she's all mounted. Check it out. Now I just gotta fill it up with air. Let's see here. Got the wheels all cleaned up. I'm gonna start painting these black and then throw them on the truck. All right, it's a little bit better light today, I think, but I started painting the frame. The reason why I didn't paint the leaf springs is because the suspension is shot. I found a kit. It's like 35 bucks on Rock Auto. Energy red polyurethane, does all four and everything that you need for it for 35 bucks. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and do that. But yeah, frame came out nice. All under here. And I didn't do these because I'm going to replace these. The steering does have some play. Yeah, Jack, whatever. All right, now that the sun's in a different position, see? No, can't drive that. And this right here, oh, it is sharp. You can cut your hand on. So, like I said, the steering wheel is not the best, but it's way better than this one. And I'm gonna dye it black, so this steering wheel is gonna be black, the horn's gonna be black. I'll do this later, like I said, later on, but I'm just gonna do this for right now so it looks decent. All right, so to take off the steering wheel, there is a screw. Let's see if I can turn it. There we go. I already took it out. There's a screw right here. And then, let's see, and then you pull it out just like that. And then there's a 19mm center bolt. And bam, there you go. Good as new. But like I said, I'll probably dye the column later. And then it'll probably match a little better. I just don't have time, running out of time. Come on guys, you didn't think I was gonna take you on a little test drive after doing the tune-up? Let's go for a ride. Man, she runs smooth. not looking bad. Sounding good. She's got matching front Michelin tires now. Check out that frame. Yeah. But yeah, she's looking good. She's got matching some GT tires in the rear. Decent tread also. Check out the frame. Yeah, she's still sputtering though. I don't know why. She's looking good. Alright guys, this is going to end another episode of Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell. It'll tell you when I upload new videos. So until next time, talk to you later.